going to be showing you guys how you guys can switch account on your Instagram. Alright, now in order to switch account on your Instagram, you need to have already added multiple accounts. But if you guys have not yet added multiple accounts on your Instagram, do not worry about it. I'm also going to be showing you the steps on how you guys can add it. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen over here. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. Over here, you need to click on your username at the top. So my username is 𝐘𝐨𝐿677. So click on it. And it's going to show you all the accounts you have added over here. So if you want to switch accounts, you can click on the account where you want to switch. So I want to switch into 𝐘𝐨𝐿. I click on it and it's going to take me to my 𝐘𝐨𝐿 account over here. So wait for some time, just like that, as you guys can see. Now if you want to add multiple accounts, because let's say you don't have multiple accounts and you want to add it in order to log in into that or like switch between those two, then you can click on your username. And you can see the plus button over here where it says add account. Click on it. Once you click on add account, it's going to say login into existing account, create a new account. Now if you want to create a new account, you click on create a new account. And if you want to log in into existing one, you click on login into existing one. So let's say I have an existing Instagram account, so I click on login into existing one. Over here, I need to enter my login details like my phone number and my password and click on login, and I should be able to log in into my account. Now once I log in into my Instagram account, it will be added on my phone. And now I can easily switch between those two accounts just like the way I just did in the first part of the video. And if you for some reason can't log in, you can always click on forgot password to recover your password as well, alright? And if you have your Instagram account signed up with Facebook, you can click on continue as 𝐘𝐨𝐿. So on my screen, I've logged in into my 𝐘𝐨𝐿 Facebook account. That's why it's showing over here. But whichever Facebook account you have logged in, it's going to show that name. You can just click on it and your Instagram account, which is linked with your Facebook, will open up. So yeah, that's how we guys can switch accounts in Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, if you want to switch your account from professional to other, that's also another type of switch account. What's that thing is called? There are two types of switch account. The thing which I just did is called, switching account, and there's also another type of switch account. So just so you guys don't get confused, I'm going to show you both of those accounts. So let's say you have a personal account and you want to switch it into business account, and I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do that. All right, but I'm going to go into this account over here to show you how you guys can switch from business to personal, and from personal to business, or to creator account. You can come to profile, click on the three line at the top, go on setting. Once you're under setting, you want to go on versus account. And on account, scroll all the way down, you can see switch account type. You can click on it and you can choose whichever account you want, whether it's personal or creator. So let's say I want a creator account. I click on creator account. I click on switch. And remember, each of these accounts have its own, advantage and disadvantage. Some features are only available for personal. Some are only available for business. Some are only available for creator. So when you switch, you might lose one or two features, so don't worry about it. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. So if I want to switch to personal, I go on the three line, go on setting, and go on account, scroll down, switch account type, and switch to personal. And now click on switch to personal, and now my account is a personal account. So yeah, that's how you guys can switch accounts.